Sort of do a quick one. First things first, do a little update from the fuel tank, fuel pump, everything. This is going to be a cold start. I put fuel in it yesterday and started it, made a little video, put it on the socials. First fire up with the new fuel pump. We have no leaks and she's running so really well right now. Like, obviously better than it was before. Beautiful. Let's check that gauge. I only put 10 bucks in it, but that fuel gauge. What are you doing? That's above quarter. But this is just going to be one for the YouTube, so we're going to see if you can see it. So we're going to do, let's make sure it's out of gear. I'm going to do a start. There goes the fuel pump. She started. Watch that fuel gauge. I just put another 20 litres in, so she's got about 30 litres in there now. There it goes. There she goes. Give that a little bit of time. So, bit of a cold start. Running really well. Very happy with how it's running, and it's not noisy, that fuel pump either. Running really good, very happy. Just doing this as a bit more of a comparison. Just shy of half, so a bit of a comparison, because coil on plug conversion time. So we've got the mounting bolts, Honda coils, and wiring. You can get other kits that don't have the plug that you need to wire up yourself, but I splashed out and got the one that you just plug and play. So we'll go over and get started. Obviously the first thing we need to do is take the coil plug cover off, I guess. And you've obviously got their other 10mm bolts or just Phillips heads. One's a bit cracked, but it's still on there. And then we'll go up and work out that stuff over there. So I'll take this off and we'll bring back. Okay, leads are off. This plate in here, there you go, and there is off. This was plugged in. This was plugged in. I'm not even looking at it. This was plugged in. This was plugged in. 3 bolts. See, 12 more bolts in there. We go over here. So that's the unit there. That's the coil pack. This is plugged in, obviously straight to the leads there. This one though, which is what this plugs into, doesn't go anywhere. Literally, just doesn't go anywhere. So that'll be interesting. So now looking at these, I've got 3 short ones and 7 long ones. I've got 3, 6. So we'll go figure that out and then come back. Okay, so we're in the engine bay. So first thing I've noticed is I've got to make sure that these plugs are running into these grooves first, because this wire here obviously goes out there. I need to put these little spacers gently on top over the thread. I need to move this over and gently start putting the bolts in, so I'll do that. I'll be back. Okay, so first problem. Okay, so there's 2 different size bolts. There was 3 of these and 7 of these, and you need 6 there obviously, and then another 4 there. These long ones don't fit. You can see that they're bottoming out there, but the short ones fit. Now the big long ones will fit because they screw into here and they don't bottom out, which is fine. So that doesn't work. That's the first issue, and they're the ones that they were sent to me. They came in the kit, so I've now got to see if I can find, if I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4 more of these short ones somewhere. So I went through my stash and I found some bolts that fit. The only problem was that I actually had to use these ones, the short ones here, because these ones that I found were the same length as... Yeah, they were the same length as the long ones. No, they were shorter, but they were too long to fit in here. This is shorter. So I've had to use the short ones in here, which is fine. Now, we're ready to put plugs on. Alright, there we have it. All bolted up, all connected, all the connections are in, everything runs underneath there, pops out there, plugs into this. So, plugs into this, now you can see it. So this is what I was confused about. So this was plugged in originally to the top of that other system, the system bracket, whatever. And there was nothing else plugged into it. And then this was plugged in for the leads. So yeah. And we see here, we've got, you can see the colors on there. So each have got brown and red. So power, ground, and then a trigger. So white, blue, brown, yeah, white. So yeah, hopefully I'll now connect the battery and we'll go in and see what happens. So it's either gonna just do absolutely nothing or it'll fire straight up. So let's find out with me. Make sure it's out of gear. Okay, here goes. Nothing. Oh wow, okay. There you go. Ta-da! All done. It's just that easy. And obviously now if you want to change spark plugs, you just one bolt, pop it out, spark plug out, and away you go. Awesome. Give it a little bit of a rev. Where are we? Can't wait to take it for a drive. There we have it. Coil and plug conversion is done. Fuel pump, fuel tank. We're all good to go. Go take it for a test drive. Check out these coilovers. See how everything goes. Anyway, thanks for coming. Hooroo.